Kedah Menteri Besar Sanusi contended that his G15 campaign speech was based on public records, namely Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's Sodomy 1 case and other moral-related matters. Sanusi said this in his statement of defense against Tambun MP Anwar's defamation suit. The past state chief said that he is ready to prove in court the contents of his speech by referring to the 2004 Federal Court remark about the plaintiff's sodomy matter, among other matters widely known by the general public. According to the court filing, Sanusi cited the defenses of justification, qualified privilege, and fair comment. Justification is a defense that the statements or allegations are factual, and if proven successful in court, these would act as an absolute defense against the defamation action. Qualified privilege is a defense that applies in a situation where the words were issued by a person who has an interest or a legal, social, or moral duty to do so. Meanwhile, fair comment is where the impugned statement was made as a fair comment rather than a statement of fact over an issue. Anwar's civil action is over Sanusi's speech allegedly containing an out-of-akhlaq remark in the Tambun parliamentary constituency on November 13th last year. Defendant Sanusi claimed that among these facts were that Anwar was expelled from the Dr. Mahathir Mohamad cabinet in the 1990s due to moral issues. He also raised the 2004 Federal Court remark by then Chief Justice Abdul Hamid Muhammad, which acquitted plaintiff Anwar in the Sodomy 1 case. In the grounds of judgment, Abdul Hamid said that, quote, "There was evidence to confirm that the appellants were involved in homosexual activities, and we are more inclined to believe that the alleged incident in Tivoli Villa did happen sometime." Hamid, however, said that, quote, "The court may only convict the appellants if the prosecution has successfully proved the alleged offences, as stated in the charges, beyond reasonable doubt, on admissible evidence, and in accordance with the established principles of law." Anwar had previously mounted an unsuccessful legal bid to have the Apex Court expunge the remark. Sanusi also made reference to Anwar's conviction for abuse of power and sentencing to 6 years in jail, which the Apex Court upheld in 2002. Sanusi added that Anwar misunderstood the context of the former speech, as it was not done out of malice to defame in front of a public audience, but merely to critique the letter based on the widely known facts. The civil action is set to come up for case management before the Alostar High Court on Monday next week.